Hi everyone! Today, we're excited to share the inspiring story of Dr. Dolores A. Ramirez, a brilliant Filipino scientist who changed the world of plant genetics. From improving crops like rice, mung beans, and even the famous makapuno coconut, her discoveries helped farmers and shaped Philippine agriculture. Let's get to know more about her life, contributions, and amazing scientific breakthroughs.
Ramirez was born on September 20, 1931 in Calamba, Laguna to Leonor Alvarico and Augusto U. Ramirez. She graduated from Laguna Institute, now Laguna College of Business and Arts in 1952 with the first Honorable Mention Award. She is a Filipino geneticist. She specializes in plant breeding and plant cytogenetics. She was named a National Scientist of the Philippines in 1998.
Also, did you know that she was hired by the College of Agriculture of the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, as an assistant professor in 1964. Eventually, she attained the position of associate professor in 1969 and full professor in 1974. She was named a full university professor in 1995. And much of Ramirez's research has been into plants important to agriculture in the Philippines. She researched the genetic basis of chemical resistant factors of Cercospora.
Now, let's move to Dr. Dolores Ramirez's contributions. She has 5 contributions on the field of genetics in the Philippines. The first 3 is the research on plant genetics, promotion of genetics education, and development of crop varieties. So let's begin on our first contribution, the research on plant genetics. Dr. Ramirez conducted extensive research on the plant genetics, specifically studying the cytogenetics of rice, corn, and other crops. This means she focused on understanding the structure and behavior of chromosomes in plants to know how traits like size, color, and resistance are passed on. Her studies help improve crop yield, disease resistance, and overall crop quality, which means farmers could grow healthier and more productive plants. Because of this kind of research, Filipino farmers today can plant rice and corn varieties that resist pests and grow well even in harsh weather, helping increase food supply and lessen hunger in rural areas. Number 2, promotion of genetics education. Dr. Ramirez also pioneered genetics as an academic discipline at the University of the Philippines, Los Baños. She made genetics an official subject which allows students to study and understand heredity, DNA, and plant improvement in a deeper way. Also, fun fact, she also authored the first genetic laboratory manual in 1967, which became a guide for teachers and students in studying genetic experiments. Because of her efforts, many Filipino students and scientists are now working in genetics, biotechnology, and agriculture, helping improve crops, animals, and even health research in the Philippines. Lastly, development of crop varieties. Dr. Ramirez contributed to the development of enhanced and sustainable crop varieties. Her studies and collaboration led to the creation of plants that are more resistant to diseases, can grow in different climates, and produce better yields. This has been a big help to Filipino farmers who depend on farming for their livelihood.
Number 4, Leadership in Science. Dr. Dolores Ramirez showed great leadership as an active member of the National Academy of Science and Technology, or NAST. She played an important role in promoting scientific growth in the Philippines by encouraging researchers to explore new ideas and continue making discoveries. Her guidance and passion helped inspire many young scientists to pursue innovation and excellence in their work. And lastly, for her recognition. Because of her remarkable achievement in genetics and agriculture, Dr. Ramirez was honored as a National Scientist in 1998, the highest title given to outstanding Filipino scientists. This recognition celebrated her dedication, intelligence, and lifelong contribution to improving Philippines' science and agriculture.
Let's proceed to one of the scientific breakthroughs of Dr. Dolores Ramirez, which is the Makapuno coconut genetics. Did you know that Makapuno coconuts result from a genetic mutation that causes the coconuts and the sperm to develop into a gelatinous, gel-like texture instead of the usual firm, fibrous flesh? This trait is linked to a recessive gene meaning both parent coconut palms must carry the gene for the makapuno characteristic to appear in the offspring. Due to this genetic requirement, makapuno coconuts are rare in nature. Dr. Dolores Ramirez's research significantly advanced the understanding of how makapuno coconuts are inherited. She developed methods to help farmers breed and produce these coconuts more efficiently. Additionally, her work on tissue culture propagation enabled the mass production of makapuno coconut palms in a laboratory setting. Dr. Ramirez's contributions have greatly influenced the coconut industry, benefiting not only the Philippines but also other tropical regions that grow coconuts.
Next, so this breakthrough is all about disease resistant in mung beans. Now, mung beans or munggo are super common here in the Philippines. We eat them a lot, but here's the problem. They often get infected by this disease called cercosporal leaf spot. It ruins the leaves and make it harder for farmers to get a good harvest. But here's the cool part. Dr. Dolores A. Ramirez studied this and discovered the genes that make some mung beans naturally resistant to that disease. Like, she literally found out what makes them stronger. Because of her discovery, scientists were able to create disease-resistant mung bean varieties, which means these new ones don't get sick easily. So farmers can grow healthier plants, get better harvests, and produce more food, all thanks to her amazing work.
Dr. Dolores A. Ramirez studied the cytogenetics of rice hybrids to understand how chromosomes from different rice species behave when crossed. She discovered that chromosome incompatibility causes hybrid sterility, preventing some rice hybrids from producing fertile seeds. Her research helped breeders identify compatible parent lines, leading to the development of stronger and more productive rice varieties.
And that's the incredible journey of Dr. Dolores A. Ramirez. Her passion for science and dedication to learning continue to inspire many Filipinos today. She truly proved that with knowledge and hard work, we can make a difference for our country's future. That's all. Thank you for listening.